To connect Commerce Sync to your Clover account, you will first need to install the Commerce Sync app. Select the More Tools option, and that will bring you to the Clover app market. You can search directly for Commerce Sync in the search bar or select the app if displayed on the main app market homepage. Select the Connect button, which will then give you two options for the subscription tier you would like to install. You will need to select the Expert plan as that is required to connect with QuickBooks Desktop. Click Accept below the listed plans. Select the Open App button to bring up the Commerce Sync dashboard page. From here, you can connect to your accounting solution. Prior to installation, you will want to make sure that you are on the computer where the company file is located and that you are logged into QuickBooks as an admin in single user mode. Select the QuickBooks Desktop option, and that will begin the download process. Open the completed install in your browser and select Run for the Commerce Sync application. You will log into the Clover account you wish to connect. If you have multiple Clover locations, select the correct location. Select the menu with three stacked lines at the top left, and then select QuickBooks by Commerce Sync. Once you reach the Connect to QuickBooks step, you will be reminded to ensure that you are using the correct company file before clicking Continue. In QuickBooks, you'll see an application certificate pop up. Select Yes, Always Allow, then select Continue and Done. Sometimes the screen is hidden behind other QuickBooks windows. If you don't see this screen, minimize your other QuickBooks windows to find it. Note that when you are installing another location, this step is skipped. Click View Dashboard to bring up the dashboard page on your browser. On the dashboard page, you will be prompted to change the sales setting to select either the Sales by Category option, Sales by Label option, or a single income account. If you select the single income account option, you will need to reach out to the Commerce Sync support team in order to change it to the Sales by Category option. The category detail is the only current detailed information that we offer. The Commerce Sync app will not transfer line item detail, inventory, or cost of goods sold. These features may be added in the future, so stay tuned for future updates to the Commerce Sync app offering. Select Complete My Activation and your installation is done.